Hello, everyone. I am Sue. I am 23 years old. I did my 12th at Adam G. Cantonment College. Today is my last day at college, and emotions are swirling inside me like a stormy sea. As I walk through the familiar corridors, memories flood my mind. The laughter shared with friends, the late-night study sessions, and the countless lectures that shaped my understanding of the world. I can't believe how quickly time has flown by. It feels like just yesterday when I nervously stepped into this college as a fresh-faced teenager. Now, standing here on the threshold of adulthood, I realize how much I've grown, both academically and personally. The campus buzzes with energy as students prepare for their final exams or bid farewell to their friends. There's a bittersweet atmosphere hanging in the air, a mix of excitement for the future and nostalgia for the past. I find myself surrounded by friends, each sharing their hopes and dreams for the future. Some are heading off to university, while others are venturing into the world of work. We promise to stay in touch, but deep down, we all know that things will never be quite the same again. In the college auditorium, the principal delivers a heartfelt speech, congratulating us on our achievements and urging us to seize the opportunities that lie ahead. As he speaks, I feel a lump forming in my throat. It's hard to say goodbye to a place that has been my home for the past few years. But amidst the sadness, there's also a sense of anticipation. I'm excited to see what the future holds, to explore new horizons and chase my dreams. As I collect my graduation certificate, I know that this is just the beginning of a new chapter in my life. As the sun sets on my last day at college, I take one last look around, committing every detail to memory. And as I walk out of those gates for the final time, I carry with me the lessons learned, the friendships forged, and the memories that will last a lifetime.